Hi everyone and welcome back. New video. Today we are going to discover together the top 3 most popular badges or certifications provided by Microsoft Advertising, and that you can find it easily and pass it via Creedly. Microsoft Advertising provides intelligent solutions that empower brands to deliver engaging, personalized experiences that value person. It committed to brand success, providing insights, technology, and proven expertise to turn data into better performing marketing campaigns. Microsoft Advertising Learning and Credentialing Program is designed to help you meet these goals. Their badging and certification programs provide recognition of skills and achievements through secure and verifiable digital credentials, which can be shared on social media channels such as LinkedIn. So let's start by discover those top 3 most popular badges. Let's start by in top 3. It's with the name Digital Advertising Fundamentals. The badge earner has demonstrated that they understand the fundamentals of digital advertising. The badge earner has explored the core elements of 4 topics within digital advertising: foundations, search, display, and shopping. Those are the skills that you are going to earn by passing this certification. So they are advertising, digital advertising, display advertising, and finally search advertising. And I have to mention that it's free to pass. In number 2, we have this certification or this badge with the name Marketing with Purpose. The badge earner has demonstrated that they understand what marketing with purpose is and how to implement it in marketing scenarios to accelerate growth by building a more trusted brand. They can outline marketing actions to take across the role of the core building blocks of trust, responsibilities, values, and inclusion. Okay, those are the skills that you are going to earn by passing this certification: advertising, digital marketing strategy, marketing with purpose, and finally search advertising. And it's free also, this certification. And in number 1, we have this certification with the name Microsoft Advertising Search Certification. By passing this exam, you've demonstrated your understanding of the search advertising ecosystem, including the Microsoft Advertising Platform solutions, search best practices, and have earned your Microsoft Advertising Search certification. Okay. So those are the skills that you are going to earn by passing this certifications, add extensions, auditions, bid strategies, badges, etc. Okay. This certifications also is free to pass. Okay. And earning a criteria: pass the Microsoft Advertising Search exam with a score of at least 80%. Okay. So this is the end of this video. I hope that you enjoyed. Please let me know if you already passed one or more certifications from this list, and if you are interested to pass it if you are not. Also, thank you all for watching this video. I hope that you enjoy it. Please don't forget to click on subscribe button, notification button, and leave a comment with your feedback and what you want to see in next videos. Thank you all and see you in next videos. Bye for now.